I think beauty, so many cars. I think beauty is so important in a garden. It is so important, but I don't think it has to happen because your hands touched it. I think it should happen because you can take advantage of what's already happening in your garden and in your property and take what is easy and emphasize that. We do not use sprinklers here. We also do not get a lot of rain here, but you can see that it's green and beautiful. The reason it's green and beautiful is because I have strategically put water lines to water my trees, and that water encroaches a little bit into the paths, giving the facade that we have water, which we don't. It's just that the grass can make do on less water than what the trees can. And so the nice thing about this is that the grass doesn't get overwatered. So the horse and the goats and everything can keep up on keeping it grazed, whereas if all this grass actually received water and I had sprinklers and stuff, the weeds would take over and the animals wouldn't be able to keep up on it. This way, the pathways don't get watered, only the trees get watered. But that little bit of grass at the bottom of the trees that gets the water just looks beautiful and green. And it does. We do live in a high desert, high cold desert. And so whatever you don't apply water to dies. And so again, I'm very strategic about what I plant that can manage to live on the amount of water I can give it. And I don't think we're doing too bad. I think it's really pretty. We haven't ever added dirt to this. We don't have topsoil. We just add a lot of deep mulch and then it turns into soil. So this is what our soil looks like where we've had very little mulch. We've only applied it here a couple of times. This is what it looks like. There's been a lot of worms in it and everything in it grows really well.